Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the font size in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to make sure that you already opened your Microsoft Word. Now this is how it looks like if you already opened it. Since we are going to change the font size of a specific word or sentence or phrase maybe, so we need to input a sample word right here. Try this one, the word sample. Now for you to change the font size of this specific word, you need to select it. But if you have a sentence there or a phrase, you should select the whole sentence or phrase if you want that specific font size to be changed. Now, this is how it looks like if you already selected it. And right after that, you should select or click the drop box under font size, and it will show all the available sizes that you can select. Now, let's try to change this sample word. So the current size or the current font size of this word is 16. Now, if we're going to change it to 72, let's try it. Now, there, it was already changed to 72. And there, that's how you simply change the font size in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.